Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you some really cool optical illusions that are created by aliasing and the shutter speed of your camera. Check this out. Aliasing occurs when the shutter speed of your camera is slower than the revolutions per second that you're observing. So in this case, the propeller will seem like it's moving clockwise, and then it'll slow down and it'll start to move counterclockwise. This is because of aliasing. The shutter speed of your camera is slower than the revolutions per second that are being observed. For this first demonstration, I'm going to use the ProMovie app. I'm going to adjust my shutter speed by clicking on Shutter in the bottom left corner where you see that orange square and adjusting the speed on the right side between 1000 and 1250. So at this speed, at first it may seem like it's spinning in one direction, but since the shutter speed is slower, it actually becomes animated and it starts to turn in the opposite direction. That's because the shutter speed is slower than the actual revolutions per second that you're observing. Here again, you can see a slowdown, and it starts to turn that opposite direction again. And it even looks like their mouths are moving. Another example of aliasing that's really cool is the spin stick that was made by Edge Industries. You notice it looks like it's going one direction and then it slows down and it starts to turn in the opposite direction. Again, that's because the shutter speed is slower than the actual revolutions per second that you're observing from the spin stick. Just amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.